Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Logitech H111 stereo headset. This is a transparent box, so you can see what the headset actually looks like. It's a gaming headset. It can be a gaming headset, but since it comes with a microphone, let's quickly take a look at what other information we have over here. Over here it's written stereo sound, rotating microphone, boom can rotate 180 degrees to be worn on the left or right. Okay, so you can wear this on either side. That's a great feature. Adjustable headband, lightweight headband with foam ear cushions provide hours of comfort. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a closer look at the headset. On this side of the box, there are some steps on how to set this particular headphone up. Let's see if I can remove this without destroying the package. And there you are. And this is what you find inside the box basically. And this is a safety information brochure. I'm going to keep this one here. And this is basically the headphone. It's designed to be worn on both sides, left side and right side, doesn't matter. The headphones swivel 180 degrees, so you can switch it on. You can keep it on either side. It has a plastic body. This is not over ear, but these are not over ear. It has a plastic body and has an adjustable headband, although the chassis is also made out of plastic. Yes, this is the cable. This is more than a meter in length, definitely, and here you have 3.5 mm jack. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Logitech H111 stereo headset. Thank you for watching.